Here we go again, another eBay shafting of an old kit. $700. This one was last reissued in 1983. It's the Otaki 1/12 scale Firebird Trans. And for 1983, these decals are toast. But luckily, somebody was repopping them, so I have a spare set. These will work out much better. The glass is still in its original bag, and I'm not taking it out until I'm ready to use them. Same with the chrome. Everything in here is just fine, right where it's at. Seats are still bagged, but you can tell that the front seats recline. Here's the body, nice and big. It's got a tape mark on the bottom of it there, no big deal. I'm sure that'll come off. But it's got opening doors, opening hood, opening trunk, and the grille was opened by the previous owner. Chassis, it's a little basic. Don't know what this little storage compartment is. This probably was a motorized kit at one time, or maybe it's for lights, but nice and basic chassis, nothing real special. The front and rear suspensions do have springs, so it'll be posable and retracting. The rims are real nice. It's got leather wall Dunlop tires. These are 14-inch, I believe. The 455 has been pre-assembled and badly painted, so I'll have to do a little work on that, but not too bad. I can do it. Door panels look real nice engraving. Let's check the hood. It's a tight fit, which is good. I would rather have a tight fit than a big gappy loose fit. Here you can see the grille, you can see right through them, which is kind of nice. And I don't know what they call a Pontiac, but Mopar would call that a shaker hood. These are separate pieces. Man, does that look cool. I love the 73, 74, I think it's 73 Trans Am. Deck lid is again a tight fit, but I can deal with that. You can always shave it, but you can't add to it very easily. And voila, looks good. This is the dashboard. You notice that the gauges are molded in and there's no decal for them. Some other pieces here. The dash top looks real nice. The radiator looks good. These are mostly suspension pieces. Nothing real exciting here, except for the Pontiac license plate. Ooh. There's the dual snorkel air cleaner. Some underhood stuff. Firewall, leaf springs, a front end. Those are the hood hinges there. Here's the gear shifter bezel and the gauge bezels, which is kind of funny because there's no gauges in there, no decals, so I'm going to try and source them somewhere. Drive shaft at the bottom, and look, it has pause traction. This kind of bothers me. These are kind of skinny for exhaust pipes. So what do you guys think? I think it's quite a kit. I won that kit in a kit raffle with my old club, and it was $1 for the raffle ticket. So I won it for $1, and just like the Nissan Skyline 1/12 scale, check out that video series if you haven't watched it yet, as well as the 1/12 scale Porsche. Both I won for $1, so make sure you watch this series as well. Is it worth $700? I don't think so. I wouldn't pay $700 for it. I don't even think that I would pay $400 for it. I think maybe $200. If you can find it for about $200, I think you would really have a deal there. So if you see one at a swap meet or online and it's a good price, I'd say grab it. It's a good kit. And they're not making it anymore. So I'll show you more models in the future that I have that are somewhat collectible and not seen very much. So you can make a decision as to whether you want to buy one as well. Until then, I'll see you later. Bye.